This gives me the creeps. What's up? I'm Mike, the Punisher Payne, representing the Anti-Social Society. That's right. You know what I'm talking about. Team warfare. Lawrence Exchange Building. 5 p.m. doors open. 6 p.m. we're going to have some music. And 7 o'clock is bell time. Team Chastain versus Team Anti-Social Society. Yes, with yours truly, the Punisher Mike Payne. You've seen us get the band back together. You've seen us get everybody who's a powerhouse together to take on Team Chastain, to win against Team Chastain on December the 7th at 5 p.m. But today, I'm here in the haunted jail. I'm here in the haunted jail to find the one true, scariest member of the Anti-Social Society. That's right, the Chainsaw Man. See, for a long time, everybody thinks the Chainsaw Man is my terror. Just because I went running down the road, I had somewhere I had to go, okay? I had somewhere I had to go. But Chainsaw Man, he ain't gonna be here. Why he ain't gonna be here? Because he's not gonna be here till the 19th, the 20th, the 26th, 27th, and the 31st at 7:30. So if you want to see him, you can come out and see him. But I'll look around anyway and see what I can find. Because frankly, the Chainsaw Man don't scare me. The Chainsaw Man, he really ain't nothing. I mean, what is he really? Who carries around a chainsaw? You know what I think? He's behind me, ain't he?